Alright, for this project, I'm going to be making a sanding sleeve for this sanding drum. And what you're going to need, some wax paper, something the diameter of the drum to form the sleeve. Need some Scotch tape, some epoxy of some sort. I like to use this PC concrete stuff. Works well, strong, whatever. Anyways, take a piece of wax paper and form it around. Put it around your form. Take a couple pieces of tape. Maybe three. We did. Hold off my paper around form. Do. Nice and tight. Like a tiger. Alright. Put a piece on there. Another piece. Okay. Oh, wow. Alright. Like that. Flush. Stand up. There. You're also going to need sandpaper of some sort. Alright, so we got that on there. Your caulking gun and your epoxy, your PC concrete. I don't even know the brand of it, but shit's badass. Anyways. Oh yeah, and you need some sort of cloth. So squeeze out enough to make two, hopefully. Anyways, epoxy, that aside. Get your chopstick.
Mad precise, kid, striking like lightning. Take another stab in the dark, you might live. No matter how tight you think your mic is, I'm here to show you that your rhymes are lifeless. Sometimes your wife gets jealous when she sees the honeys hanging on me like I was Elvis. Maybe I'm selfish myself. I think I'm a shellfish, an aphrodisiac when I'm on my pelvis. The ladies need helping when I go down south. Show up more than tuna melted in your mouth and not in your hand. See, I'm hard as a rock and them and them just candy. I can withstand heat. For breakfast I eat methamphetamine with brandy. Going to Plan B, settling in with the bad boy family. Never again breaking my back for a damn thing. Got my groove on, I'm going out dancing. I'm in a good mood, moving to a mansion. I'm on the hill and I will go sailing. 'Cause I'm alive and surviving. I take my brand new yacht to my very own island. Show thoughts, know my promise. Believe it or not, nobody's gonna be following me.
Go round and round, wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus.
You get something, it's like a rigid tube with all the epoxy, it's hardened. So after that, just take a piece of rough sandpaper and just sand off any bumps that are on it. Okay. Okay, so what I got here is paper towel roll, and it pretty much fits around this perfectly for the form of the sandpaper needs to be. So take that, put it flat on your sandpaper, trace it, boom, bada bing, bada bing. So this thing's 2 inches, so you end up with something like this. It's a parallelogram. That's your sandpaper. That's gonna go around your tube. Okay, your tube's back onto your form. And then what you want to put is double-sided tape. You gotta measure around your tube. It's about 4 13/16. So we'll say 5. So I'm gonna cut the double-sided tape at 5 inches. So I'm gonna mark each side at 5. That's a little bit long because we'll leave a little bit extra for, you know, mess ups and whatnot. Too long, too short. Sometimes shit happens. So I'm going to start rolling my double-sided tape around the form. Start at the top of it and just gonna roll it around. I can just eyeball this and cut it. Sometimes it comes out perfect, sometimes it don't. So anyways, I'm gonna cut it. I like to put a piece of the backing on here. It makes it easier to cut. And otherwise your scissors like to stick to this. I'm just gonna look it. Alright, where's my lines right there? Alright, so I'm gonna cut it. See if it fits. I'm a little short, that's fine. So anyways, short there, whatever. Alright, stuff stretches too a little bit, so if you're a little short, sometimes you can stretch it in, sometimes you'll have a piece in there. But get it around. Work it, work it, work it. That's close enough. Okay. Now, check out how our sandpaper fits around it. Always put the seam of this tape in the middle of your sandpaper. You get better results that way. And then see how it's going to line up, because you want it perfect. I mean, you could have it overlap one way, but it's not going to be stuck. So there, make a mark here, and here. Hopefully that comes out. That's right. There we go. It's good, it's good. All right, peel the tape. Other side. Just a pain in the ass to peel sometimes. Whatever. Come on, baby. Okay, where's my seam? Okay, there's my seam. So we want to put this on as square as we can. And then just kind of press it around. Around and here. We want to really get it as tight as we can on that. Try a little bit. Can't really see what I'm doing. Well, not very good at myself, but bear with me, so I got it. There we go. What this is. Okay. Try to figure it out. So anyways, that's how you wrap it. And you just need to cut this with some sort of saw or something. I use a grinder. Anyways, that's how you make that. And also on your 2-inch deal. You could do this for any size of, you know, sanding drum. You know, you could probably do it for drum holes or whatever.
The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels of the bus, the wheels of the bus. Wheels of the bus go round and round, they go up and down and all around. The wheels of the bus, the wheels of the bus.
Day I woke up to the sound of bells as the volume increased, so they ain't in my brain swelled. I could tell something was wrong, cause when I went to move around, all feeling was gone. What's going on? Could this be happening? I don't understand, there was never an accident. More I think about it, something ain't right, because I can't remember the ride home last night. Wait, there was a blinding light. All I recall thinking this is gonna be tight. Now I'm coming to, my nightmare's true. I'm in a hospital bed, being bedridden too. It's crazy, I just don't believe it. Or maybe it's a dream about a paraplegic. I feel bulimic from all this force feeding. Need a crash course cause the alcohol's screening. Then this angel walked in, all dressed in white, in the color of her skin. With broad daylight, I'm sin, but I'm in heaven, right? She said you were close, but baby not quite. 7 years ago, rise, tears open my eyes, I'm looking like you. I've been here by your side, makes you cry, just like the sky had parted. Do you know why I'm so broken hearted? You killed my child on the night of that party. You were so wild, drinking all that Bacardi, thinking you could drive, acting so retarded. Do you remember? Why didn't you try? It was December 1995. You suicide. You failed that time, and now it's sneaking up on you. From behind, you're gonna die. A tooth for a tooth and an eye pulled the plug with a grin. That's when I woke up screaming, I'll never drink or drive again.
The wheels on the bus go round and round,